Hi there, it's me Silvio with High Rise Industries. Another Helical pile installation, this time we're in the town of South Hampton on Long Island, on the east end of Long Island. For another Helical pile installation, let me show you what we're doing. Okay, this is our project here, as you can see. Colin Price's house. One of the oldest houses in the town of South Hampton, and the owner bought this place and tried to preserve it, try to keep the look of this house with its fireplaces on a slate roof. Okay, so he elevated it. A new foundation is going to be built. As you can see, we have been working for the past 2 days installing helical piles. We got 3 different kind of piles installation going on here. Some of them are just regular helical piles with new foundation pile caps, and towards this side here we are doing also helical pull down micro piles. These piles are being grouted. We are going an average of about 35 to 40 feet here. Capping them off. Filling the 4-inch part with grout. Now these piles averaging a torque of 5,000 foot-pounds, about 25 ton, and $56 helical piles going down in this house. Okay, foundation brackets. Now the engineer on this project, after the house was lifted, decided to keep some of the existing structure and incorporate that into the new foundation. So instead of removing it, we decide to underpin it. As you can see here, we already have begun. We installed a few, and basically all around this existing structure we're going to be underpinning it. Okay, here's another view. The house elevator up in the air. Okay, all the piles have been installed already. I'm going to swing across and show you how close we are to the water here. Alright, little barrier island off the mainland of Long Island. It's part of the bay. And then obviously on the other side of this house there is the Atlantic Ocean. It's a beautiful home that the owner is trying to remain intact, preserve its look, and go down and get to my pile installation. Alright. Okay, second phase. We have begun installing underneath the house, as you can see. We did a little bit of demolition, chop out this floor in order to get these 2 piles in. Alright, now these 2 piles are going to be supporting this massive fireplace that you see up there. Okay, the foundation built on top of these piles is supporting this fireplace. You're going to walk around. And We basically finished down here. Yesterday you guys saw us installing our helical pull down micro piles. All of them installed now. The water you see is a little bit brown water. Okay. If you need helical pile installations, you can look us up on the web at helicalpilesnewyork.com. Also on YouTube. Watch our videos. Or you can call us direct at 516-250-2515. This is Silvio. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next project.